some bad bitches, told her, baby, how your whole team ready. I done got so high on the minus hours, I just need some codeine just to relax. This the new Vivian Millennium Wavy.
Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine. Today I'm going to be creating a tutorial for this gorgeous look using the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Artistry palette. It's a beautiful palette. If you don't have it, I highly recommend that you get it. So let's go on to the tutorial. Hey lovelies! So to save time, I've already primed my eyes with LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain. This is really good to help your eyeshadows pop. And I'm going to try very hard to not look in the viewfinder. Oh my god, I find it very hard to not do that because my camera's always out of focus and I want to make sure I'm in focus for you guys. I've also applied the tape so I can create that line. And the first shadow that I'll be using as my transition color is this matte shade here. It's just a brown shade. And to apply that shadow, I'll be using my MAC 217 brush. It's one of my favorites. So I'll just start with patting on the shadow. So I find when you do this, it deposits the color a lot better. Then you can start swirling it around just to blend it out. Just gonna wipe my brush off because I'm gonna use the same brush for my next color. And this is just a brush cleaner that I got from AliExpress. I really like it and it's really handy if you're using the same brush for multiple shadows. Go back into the palette again. I'll be using this color, another matte shade, just a little bit darker than this one. And I'll just be placing it a little bit lower this time, more in the crease area. Then for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to be taking these two champagne-y colors. So I'm going to be using them both. And you're just going to place it on the highest point of your brow bone. So right here. So I'll be applying the Porcelain again on my lid. And I'll just use my crown brush. It's the C469. It's really good to use to cut the crease. Just start by placing it on my lid. And then I'll look up. That's a trick that I saw here on YouTube because it lets me know how high I should be taking the color because I have chubby lids. While that's drying, I'll just go back into that palette and grab this black shadow. To place that shadow, I'll be using the MAC 224. This is my favorite brush. My eyes might look a little bit crazy, but we're not done yet. I'm gonna take this greenish brownie color. It kind of looks like, I know maybe not in this light, but it kind of looks like Max Club. Let me turn my light down so you can see. It's a really pretty color. Spray my brush with e.l.f. Mist and Set. And I'm not sure what brush this is, just a silver brush. I'm not sure where I got it from. Don't worry if it's not perfect, because we're going to be covering that up with the glitter. My favorite liner, of course, you guys know, it's by NYC. It's their liquid liner. I'm going to line my eyes. I'm horrible at doing this on camera. Really horrible. I'm going to try my best. For the glitter, it's by Candy Cosmetics and it's called Ballistic Berry. It is like the prettiest. Look how pretty that is. To adhere it, I'm going to be using Lit Clearly Liquid Glitter Base. That's what it looks like. I just use this brush to apply it. I don't even know who it's by. It says C250-2. So let's apply the lashes. These are by Visofree and they're D22. And I just use this duo glue to adhere them. It's the duo brush on adhesive with vitamins and it's in dark, my favorite. It dries so fast. This is another thing I'm terrible at, applying lashes on camera. Not good. But I'm going to try. I'm going to be taking MAC's Feline to line my waterline. So now I'll be going back into the BH Cosmetics palette and be grabbing this color. I'll place this color first on my lower lash line and then this one on top of it. And to do so, I'll be using my e.l.f. smudge brush. Taking the green. So for my lips, I'm going to use the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Drop Dead Red. Just gonna add some finishing touches to my look and I'll be right back.
Said she coming over late night with some bad bitches. Told her, baby, how your whole team ready. I done got so hot on the minus hours. I just need some codeine just to relax. This the new Vivian Millennium Wavy.
So I hope you guys enjoyed my look. If you have any questions, put them down below. I'll definitely answer them for you. Thank you so much, lovelies, for taking the time to watch my tutorial, and I'll see you soon. Bye!